welcome to the channel. So today we're headed to the car wash to get Eagle washed up. Let's go. Like I said earlier, we're headed to the car wash to go get Black Eagle washed up. It rained the other day, and if you know anything about black cars, you know that it's hard to keep them clean. Extremely hard. So we're gonna get a quick little wash and a little rinse and wash and see how that works out. While we're headed there, just want to let you guys know, if you're coming from my other channel, which is Rituals, Richuals, on YouTube or Instagram, Twitter, maybe. This is the new channel for Black Eagle. We got this channel for M2 Black Eagle. That's also on the Instagram, which is M2_ Black Eagle on Instagram. That's BMW M2 car pictures only and car content, just like this channel. So be sure to stop by Instagram. That's at M2_ Black Eagle to check out exclusive BMW M2 car pictures for this car. All the photos are taken by myself. But like I said, thank you for tuning in to this channel. This is a new channel. This channel will solely be based off car content for the BMW M2. You hear how that thing sound? Ooh, that sounds good. But yeah, this channel will solely be based off BMW M2 car content. We'll be doing modifications. I got some carbon fiber features that's going to be added to the car. I'll be doing things that I like, things that I dislike about the car. I've done those videos before, and you can find some of them on my other channel, like I said, on YouTube at Rituals. But I'm going to do an updated version on this channel for the car content on this one. Looks like there's an accident up there. People cannot drive. But anyway, like I was saying, this channel will solely be based off BMW M2 car content for this channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay in the loop. Hit that subscribe button. That's how you stay in the loop. Hit the notification bell so you know when I have new car content coming. And just thank you guys for all your continued support. Y'all have a great day, and stay locked in for the car wash. So I already know some of y'all gonna say, why are you running your car through that? You're gonna mess up the paint job. Well, it hasn't. So far it hasn't. So with that being said, whenever I need a quick wash, I just come through these just to get the car washed a little bit. And so far it hasn't done anything to the paint. Now what has done something to my paint is these damn rocks out here in Arizona. That destroys your damn paint. So eventually I'm gonna have to do some work to the bumper, the front bumper. But I already knew that out here. Arizona is not friendly on sports cars, so it is what it is. But that's a simple fix. So now that we got the car all washed, we're gonna let it air dry by driving to the house. Once we get home, I'll wipe the car down with some products, and I'll show you guys that, and we'll wrap this video up for today. But like I said, this was mostly just an introduction video to M2 Black Eagle's channel. Thank you guys for once again supporting me, and you know, with that being said, like I said, I'll go home, do a quick wipe down of the car, dry it off, and this was just an introduction to M2 Black Eagle's channel, car content only. Yeah, the car came out pretty good. You know, the car wash, not great, but good, decent. So yeah, that's M2 Black Eagle right there in the flesh. So welcome to the channel. Thumbnail. with the ultimate quick detailer from McGuire's. I like using this because it make the car, get a car a nice little shine. And when I use this, I normally use a microfiber towel. It's not usually, I always use a microfiber towel with the product. So I'm just gonna do a quick wipe down of Black Eagle. And like I said, this is just the introduction to the Black Eagle. BMW M2 2018 LCI edition.
What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, but it ain't what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live. This, that, for the kids, saw something strange, can't say what it is. Court case came, ain't say what he did. Make sure you move, put a chain on the gear. Yeah, I've been on top of the tower, got the power, weatherman, gun cock in his back to shower. Put you down with the squids, that's rocket power. I done hang with the guys and we talk for hours, yo. I feel like a doctor on late shift. I done ran out of my patience. I done no trip out in Vegas. I say I don't have to pay shit. Don't try to save it related. I come to the reunion looking like Jason. This that black entertainment. I should have been on the base. Get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Who that trying to say that they put in more work than me? Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Speeding head hanging out the car, driving down the street with no regard. Where I'm going, I do not recall. My teachers always said that I'm bizarre. Like a ring, I keep my circle small. We back and forth, I'm Raphael Nadal. I ain't really worried, not at all. You either eat your words or you evolve. Comfort is the enemy. Catch me hanging where the winners be. I don't even use up all my energy. I push shit through like human centipede. Anyone can be a bitch to me. It don't really matter what your gender be. If you ain't really sentimentally, can already tell you what it's finna be.
So once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to Black Eagle's new channel. He greatly appreciates it. Thank you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Share the video. Got some great content coming up of my M2. You guys are gonna love it. Like I said, you can also check out my other channel at Rituals, RICHUALS. But if you want car specific content, check out this channel right here, M2 Black Eagle. Much appreciated. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Peace.
Get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Who that trying to say that they put in more work than me? Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, you ain't gon' get me, I put that on my family tree. You gon' see who really got that life, and that's a guarantee.